Hi everyone, my name is Laree, owner of SewIntoIt. If you are looking for a safe, frustration-free place to learn new sewing skills or just practice the ones that you already have, you are in the right place. Welcome to SewIntoIt Summer Sewing School. So this idea of summer sewing practice came by request of my sewing students, many of which, perhaps like yourself, are still very new to sewing. So I understand where you are as a beginner. So here's what you can do to prepare to follow along with me this summer for summer sewing school. Here are some tips to help you succeed. 1. Watch the entire video through before practicing along with me. This will help you know what to expect and know what materials to have on hand before you get started. 2. Practice the technique 2 to 3 times before evaluating how good or not you are at it. Give yourself the grace to make mistakes and give yourself the opportunity to learn something new. Learning something new sometimes takes time. 3. After giving due diligence to practicing a technique, if you find a way that's easier for you to understand other than a way that I'm demonstrating, that's okay. Lastly, keep a positive attitude. Don't limit your capacity to learn by negative self-talk. Learning something new can be hard sometimes, but if you keep a positive attitude, that is the best way to succeed. All right, everyone, I look forward to seeing you right here over the next few weeks for summer sewing school. Bye.